In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect data in QuickBooks, a valuable skill to ensure your financial information remains secure. We're going to walk through this process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to safeguard your data with confidence. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is click on Sign In. This step is crucial as it initiates your access to the QuickBooks platform. Once you are on the sign in page, make sure to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. This option specifically targets users who are utilizing the cloud-based version, ensuring that the right system is being accessed. Now, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Carefully type in your email and password and then click Continue. This will direct you to your main dashboard where you have access to various account settings and tools. Once you're logged in, navigate to your settings. You can typically find this gear icon in the upper right corner of your dashboard. It acts as your gateway to a wealth of customization options that QuickBooks offers. After clicking on Settings, proceed to Account and Settings. This step is pivotal as it will enable you to adjust and personalize your preferences. Next, you'll want to click on Advanced. The Advanced tab will provide you with more detailed features and functionalities that you can tweak according to your needs. Within the advanced settings, look for the accounting section. It's here that you'll have the opportunity to implement important protective measures for your data. Inside the accounting section, you'll notice an option labeled Close the Books. You'll want to turn this feature on. This is where the password protection aspect comes into play. Setting a closing date helps lock your books, preventing unwanted changes or access past this specified point. It acts almost like an invisible shield, ensuring that everything up to that date is frozen for unauthorized alterations. Following that, select your desired closing date. It's important to choose a date that aligns with your fiscal year end or any other specific accounting period that you wish to protect. After establishing this date, select Allow Changes after viewing a warning and entering password. This function provides an additional layer of security by making sure that only authorized users aware of the password can modify any details. Now type in your password in the designated field. Make sure it is strong and memorable. You'll be required to confirm it by re-entering it into the confirmation box. This double check assures that there are no typos or mistakes in your password entry. Finally, once you've set and confirmed your password, click on Save. This action finalizes your settings and activates the password protection you've just established. Always ensure that you keep this password secure and within the knowledge of trusted personnel only. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've added a significant layer of security to your QuickBooks data. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.